chicken with smoked paprika. This is my favorite chicken dinner and most certainly the best chicken dinner I've ever made. You got the succulence of chicken at its best. You've got crispy skin. Then you've got the Eastern European smoked paprika that's going down with that chicken fat into the potatoes. It's... I'm kind of having some drool issues. It is the perfect chicken dish. This is what this recipe is all about. This is 3 tablespoons of smoked paprika. I like smoke. And smoked paprika delivers those flavors without having to use a smoker. We're just gonna add a tablespoon of a very neutral flavored oil, canola oil, olive oil, to make a paste out of this, and salt and pepper. And that serves as a marinade paste. It will be perfect for our purposes because it's very sticky and that's gonna cling to the chicken thighs. The thigh is by far the best piece of meat. Julia Child will back me up on that. The reason that chickens have breasts is because we haven't figured out how to make a chicken with 4 thighs. As soon as we do, we'll really be onto something. Speaking of chicken thighs, time to do a little boning. I use scissors instead of a knife for this. So to bone this, you're basically just gonna kind of unzip this meat right along the thigh bone. The way I look at it is they start teaching you to use scissors when you're in kindergarten. You don't learn knives till much later in the process, so why not go with your original skill set? It's faster and it's easier. As you can see, minimum damage to the meat, no breaks in the skin. Now, into the marinade. Get the chicken and mix that up to kind of percolate. I'm gonna let this just sit at room temperature and marinate while we prep the vegetation. I run the potatoes through a mandolin to get about a 1/4 inch cut. And I'm pretty sure I'm not bleeding at all. Perfect. I French the onions, which means kind of a radial cut like this. Kind of just mix these in with the potatoes. Oh, those are strong. Those are very strong onions. Woo! And then go cry. Oh, I gotta go. Then you bring together the tapenade, which is nothing but chopping up cocktail olives, which I just love because it's like, reminds me of a martini. Zest basically 1 lemon. Now I'm gonna do the exact same thing with the garlic. And mix to combine. And at this point, we take 1 piece of the chicken, and what you wanna do is form a pocket. I wanna make it easier to get the olive stuffing under the skin, and then kind of rub it around through the skin to even it up. I get the stainless steel cooling rack. It's kind of been used a lot over the years. It's the only one I've got, it'll be fine. So that goes right over the potatoes and onions. So, we're ready to go. You put the chicken on top of your rack and into the oven. As you get more fat coming out of the chicken thigh, mingling with the smoked paprika, and then going down onto the potatoes and the onions, that's the dinner. Smoked paprika is so aromatic. You walk into the house, you walk into the kitchen, that's like the appetizer. You know, it's like ringing the dinner bell. Nice. Potatoes look good. Chicken is nice and crispy. When you're ready to serve, you just lift up the rack, move it off, scoop up potato and onion, put it on the plate, put the chicken on top. Walk away. Olivey goodness. It brings a lot of flavors on a lot of different levels and a lot of different textures at the same time, which I think is the hallmark of a really well thought out dish. When it comes to a chicken dinner, this is the best thing I've ever made. Cheers. To me.